To activate Apple Pay on Apple Watch, start by ensuring your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone and that you have the latest software installed on both devices. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Then tap on My Watch and select Wallet and Apple Pay. If you have not already added a card to Apple Pay on your iPhone, you will need to do so before you can add it to your Apple Watch. To add a card, go to the Wallet and Apple Pay section in the Apple Watch app and tap on Add Credit or Debit Card. Follow the prompts to enter your card information and agree to the terms and conditions. You may be asked to verify your card with your bank, which can be done by phone, email, or text message. Once your card is verified, it will be added to your Apple Watch. After adding your card, you can use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch to make payments. To do this, double-click the side button on your Apple Watch to open the Wallet app. Select the card you want to use and hold the face of your Apple Watch near the contactless reader. You will feel a gentle tap on your wrist and hear a sound when the payment is processed. It is also important to note that you can add multiple cards to your Apple Watch and switch between them easily. To switch between cards, open the Wallet app on your Apple Watch and swipe left or right to select the card you want to use. You can also use the Apple Watch app on your iPhone to manage your cards, including adding, removing, and switching between them. In terms of security, Apple Pay on Apple Watch is very secure. Your card information is not stored on your Apple Watch or iPhone, and it is not shared with merchants. Each transaction is authenticated with a unique token, and you must use a passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID to authorize payments. Overall, activating Apple Pay on Apple Watch is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following these instructions and best practices, you can start using Apple Pay on your Apple Watch to make convenient and secure payments.